Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Ajay Sharma Lo. So in today's video, I will explain the topic application of this act, section 2 of Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956. So if you are new on this channel, so like, share and subscribe with your friends. Okay, now let's begin. Application of this act, section 2 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. Let's read out through the bare act. Application of this act. This act applies to any person who is a Hindu by religion in any of its forms or developments, including a Virshavas, a Lingyat, or a follower of the Brahmo, Pratna, or Arya Samaj. So basically, this act applies to the person, any Hindu in any of its form or branches like Virshavas, Lingyats, or follower of the Brahma Samaj, or Pratna Samaj, or Arya Samaj. B. To any person who is a Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh by religion. Basically, this act also applies to the religion to any person who belongs to the Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh. C. To any other person who is not a Muslim, Christian, Parsi, or a Jew by religion, unless it is proved that any such person would not have been governed by the Hindu law or by any custom or usage as part of that law, respect of any of the matters deals with the herein if this act had not been passed. It means any other person who is not a Muslim, Christian, Parsi, or Jew but was earlier governed by the Hindu law or Hindu customs. Now, who is considered Hindu, Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh under this act? First, any child, legitimate or illegitimate, whose both parents are Hindus, Buddhist, Jain, or Sikhs. Second, any child, legitimate or illegitimate, with one parent as a Hindu, Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh, and who is brought up in the parents' religion or a community. Another one, any child who is abandoned by the both parents or whose parents are unknown and who is brought up as a Hindu, Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh. Hindu definition also included these: Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh religion. And last, any person who converts or reconverts to the Hindu, Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh religion. Next, subsection 2. Notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 1, nothing contained in this act shall apply to the members of any scheduled tribe within the meaning of clause 25 of article 366 of the Indian Constitution unless the central government by notification in the official gazette otherwise direct. This act does not apply to the members of scheduled tribe unless the central government issue a special notification in the official gazette. Subsection 3. The expression Hindu in any portion of this act shall be construed as if it include a person who, though not a Hindu by religion, is nevertheless a person to whom this act applies by the virtue of the provisions contained in this act. Whenever the word Hindu is used, it is also included those persons who may not be Hindus by religion but still fall under this act because of the above rules in this act, Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. So this act mainly applies to the Hindu, Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video explanation, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Ajay Sharma Lo. And bye bye guys, see you in the next video.